me ma mo nyina akaba be asenhwe de di kan me de mo nyina ase me hwese ne mo support me a minim de meka na mo de metumi aka nsi baby a obi anyame nhira no ma wasumdwe a wo hwehwe wo fidium se be ya obenya bre ahwa original kakra nti enenso aya another simple recipe but say them can equally delicious we ya wo potatoes go on ma unwu ne ofenye no so wa entungu obetumi de mash and then me de ba be season wedges a simple cra ti jakonya ne afenhye so ebekoyi I was here for until potatoes a base. No one send me potatoes no. A gua me hono and yamacono. Until none of me fast scanning it. Oh, but to me the skin I say a fresh one. Tima over me baba sensing. Now since ya over hosa over. To me the baby was here over and son of the other one. It is where you start chicken a crowd. A mile wedges and so the shame one. Never one. I am crunchy cacrama so. You know, yes, I went to me so sweet potatoes and so pepper. To me, since you are not fair to us. And see, Kakran person mechanics all this skin they can't want so I'm a mouth fiber so I say, you know, Sanyasa skin no one yet be a messer fact. Now dear na my matter how kakra so original kwan no beche we you e wo dokwas ti mi wie ya mesra ko ye bi e ma wo busiafo ma me de mi di bedi ai me bolognese na me ye OMB Spice kitchen nti wa won get a recipe no ko ho no anu akohwe na mo ko ho keke o ka no subscribe so na e ko yi se ne me kan ya fe me romin saba ma wo bro mo ni ato and the other for my room potatoes no afen na me betwitwa so am and too far and one so twemu me enu say ya sure no aside say ya and no akeke so say ya I'm saying traba puncture the trouble say ya we are so no twemu me ensa so I'm saying it to me to try the camera afia to us. I was here for and to me wife is in me to cherry and I am get to a main fan come on over painting to way so with the big chop potato salad bar. Yeah, stay tuned for this room. I look at you and to me, you know myself when I feel yeah the kahona sheso. I was here for one say my dry me potatoes in outside dry. So what the kitchen towel and I said napkin clean one. Now they are brand my so me oven and so they are 270. Sure baby our oven no but temperature and send you a working for one. No I am saying to me family season now but near the one. Not just here we are sir. Cover we are. I was here for 12 me garlic and rosemary and number baby 2 hour trade and send you tea koyi. When you have a sunflower oil and also say olive oil and so be na de kakra. So I na be go. Say be I do seasoning no e fa ho a e be che na anwa no so de e ne say e ma o potatoes no e be ntem. What they want try that the year potatoes I will bake it with oil and without. We be send them can. Na fe we don't say. When I said they was running so I say yeah. And to when the crab di go on a cake and the garlic rosemary nama I am did that. No one fan change chassis answer. Oh yeah, a trim shane won't once in a moon night day trim tram eddy kind to men sir. To them all has say me spices. Wow, pebby no, or call original mama Betty.com. I've been and let me be so fish seasoning. Now, Mumu but also fish seasoning fish woman there be a vegan fish be a herbs and spice blend, any account a boom. Now, it complements well with fish. So, we are fish stew and our soups near there. A koye now, your gross near the koyintino. Made a try a recipe way. And when it's a cumin cacao, I chives cacao, parsley womb, so complementing well with so many things into non-trier, but Jody. So I say to taste and one is all the appetite. When you meet the year, over to me, you should be obia. Say they're Ghana for when you're doing to a dear, Coca Jody and complaining. So, you go so most I'm on Sanky in your guso. You go see a year, Jumana bank a crank. enti say yeah jenne ni ade nyina wo so anti no ekoyie sa two year biani bia na wa hwe sene flavors no pe na wo de awo no na ekoyie so ati ase menye biani eto wani mu na wa awudi grass ade na nye de into de untumi nkeka herbs ne spices ne emumu a ntimi ye wo bra ye be ma obi na ade akoye biani am obusuafo ehu se bra auntie sister oya so original quite I can say you ewo do kwa so ati ase ti aye kama ahaye hwiam jai it's mine say we no for color ntino me grill spice blend and me was smoked paprika ewo nti any smokiness ni ntino me de kakra bi ka ho kakra bi and I say the man is some the parchment paper as a train. What with a good train, Musa? But the moon is a maui now to my easy amawa. Now say dear, what dear good train, name one, and maybe in turning your console. So I say, Mamma, I've been a come. And I dear so soon a man non call edges. Now I'm a dear Susana won't fin. But it's the edges nipping in town, a chain in fin. Ready, ye be mammy. Wait me the lasagna bolognese, Nina no channel so. Into meatballs be now grilled chicken, fish, Nina be queen. So wait me sweating, sir. Open homemade mayonnaise, and you should do a channel. Over 400 recipes. Oh, now share me now subscribing to this channel. Men you near sa o bombardia subscribe ni e kuyeni sa ni e kuyeni kebusia for ayi friend you me dey ko she man sa ni e be yive o now they show oven in the middle rack come on into where the time will be any she said e be through come into in between me she say ni e na fe ye den chinka krawo so ati ase tiji akonya no petit bi no ana so se me lemonade ni bi na aka ye to aso ti abusia for your chips hwe it's almost done so afe na me de enchine ba begusu nti de bia na me nsha ase ntem nti nchine ye ni say ya on to taste kakrebi. What tossing around Sakra? Higher, Miss Andy, I should bear 5 minutes. Yeah, me, nothing. May you don't do much. Yeah, to us. I was here for, hey, are you from? Don't do. My people back, Munchiro. Wow, she. I'm saying, she sent me a fluffy. Season, I do. That day, ashes. I was here for Aden to wait a bombardier try, ma'am. No afa dish bi and send am ka betum de lasagna betum de salad nko a o make my anything so e bi chiechia fish a ubenya so on chicken na ekoyi I wish am for share. Are you afraid you no don't and when the bombardier say Ubeye binanu obusia for the chama no so say na make na ekoyi so na ansa na mekono medamu nyina ase chese bi hu ne meka Enyamwa anka over 100k nya de a metumi eduru hono nti adwuma no me ne mo na ye na titiru me da asi na me do bia waba me platform yi so abebo amadwumedi akoso ase na me hye da akonya de mo ase da abre nti me first wada na best kitchen ase says me hwese ne post me wo community a I'm so grateful. Say I know what's here, so I'm with that baby. I feel so me that sweet ajela say, me that cooking with gift say, and I made that Quantress kitchen. Me that munyana say, just a me wunya meka, and me no YouTubers are bia, mo commenting pa, me so a YouTuber, me sell. Mo fancha mo sa kwana so a YouTuber na ba platform so na wa ma me ho na me nso ma be de ma be hwede o ye na support nti nipa me bubo mu di nyina so ye amazing stuff wo se wunya bra bo ka ko show so me ye twi omo so ye brofo nti o pe bi wo brofo na se wu hu ha wo di okwa wo be hu wo brofo so ati ase ne kwe na nyame adoma me hye da akonya de mo aseda ma akoma aba nti no ko okotodwe ni ma na wa ka chire nyame se nim di odi ama men onko so a ema emmoro so se be ya di abro so no na men so di bi abro. I love you. God bless. Nyame adoma ye besenhia.